Hello everybody, me and my cousin are playing this, so yeah. So, would you rather super happy face or headless head? Of course headless head. Ooh, I almost fell there. Okay, where's my cousin at? Hello? Hello? Anyways, who are you? Okay, you're my cousin. I didn't, okay. Random shirt, skinny skirt. Random.
Because there's a fan.
Oh, I'm lagging, guys. Come on, get out of my face. Wow, cool fit. Let me see your fit, cousin. Okay, I am super laggy. Come on, make me.
Make me freeze.
Okay, cousin, wait for me. Wait, are you a girl? Oh, that's your outfit.
I'm a girly girl.
So, I almost fell there.
Because you're bad at parkour.
I am not. So, yeah. We're the same, but our clothes are not. Wait. I gothic, cause that fits with me. Just my hair is the problem. I am so laggy that my cousin is walking in air.
Look, the same.
Okay.
They're the same.
But our clothes. Let's go. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me fly.
No, I'm flying.
Ah! Guys, help! There's a problem with this game. This game is a problem.
We are the lag.
Help. Somebody. Okay, I'm flying. Yes, finally, I'm back down. Wait, I'll go there. Wait for me, Cesta. Okay, I'm here. Random hair, random pants. I already have a pants, but I want new hair. So yeah, I pick my hair. I keep on falling. Having a makeover is fantastic.
Look.
Okay, my cousin is flying now. Pink
Pink
fluffy headband.
headband.
This oh my goodness, that scared me. Thought I was. Wait, is that? Bro, I keep falling, and I'm lagging. Look, there's SpongeBob. Bro tried to fit in. Look. Look. Okay, my cousin saw it. My hair is. I'm. 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 I'm.
You're embarrassing.
I'm. Wait, who is that? Oh my goodness, my hair is gone. I'm bald. But at least I look like a tryhard. Cute black hood nails, long lashes. Oh, this is my new hair. Nice. I'll choose this. So yeah, everybody.
Haba kay ka din. Disconnected akong voice chat.
Core blocks leg, of course. Where's my core blocks leg? I'm lagging for real right now, girls. Why is there some random pictures? Random accessories. A random accessory. My hair changed because I choose random hair. I don't really care if I get hurt. I'm literally lagging that the girl is not moving at all. Look at her. She looks so fantastic. She picked the identity. Okay, my cousin is so glamorous. Okay, what am I doing? Random shirt again, I guess. My cousin got disconnected. He's playing Minecraft now. I mean, yeah, playing Minecraft. Okay. So I'm doing this alone now. Eek! Look at me. Where's my cord at? Okay. Brown pony. Ooh, cool. Monica high ponytails hair. No, I guess this is my one. Robux, yeah. Robux, that's all. My outfit kinda doesn't suit, but it's okay. Girls, I fell. And boys, I guess. Okay. Don't mind that I said boys, I guess. Don't mind that. Actually, about to rage. I fell twice. I fell not twice, but I fell not once but twice. What am I saying right now? Don't make me fall again. Finally, girls, Okay, this is the last time. I'm actually gonna. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm about to rage. This is the fourth time. I'm literally lagging because this girl ain't. Okay, so the okay, girls, I give up. I do not finish this tower. But what do you rate my outfit? Okay, this looks so madam ugly, but it's okay. Rate it in the comment below. Thank you. Bye.